The good Beatdayz Interfm89 sound of Tokyo t-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It represents a vibrant connection to music culture, urban energy, and the iconic soundscape of Tokyo. Designed for those who appreciate both streetwear aesthetics and radio-inspired graphics. This t-shirt captures the essence of rhythm, nightlife, and modern city vibes. The bold Interfm89 sound of Tokyo design pays tribute to one of Japan's most influential radio frequencies, known for shaping contemporary music tastes and bringing global sounds to local listeners. Wearing this shirt is a way to express individuality while staying connected to the pulse of international music culture. Its versatile design makes it suitable for casual outings, concerts, festivals, or everyday streetwear styling, allowing wearers to showcase their passion for music in a subtle yet stylish way.